Have you ever stopped to marvel at the tiny ants scurrying around your feet? These industrious insects may seem simple at first glance, but beneath their diminutive exterior lies a world of complexity. Ants are biological marvels, with intricate systems working in perfect harmony to allow them to thrive in diverse environments across the globe. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey inside the body of an ant, exploring the fascinating systems that make these creatures tick. From the rigid exoskeleton that provides protection to the intricate network of nerves that control their every move, we'll uncover the secrets behind their remarkable abilities. Get ready to be amazed as we delve into the world of ants, discovering the wonders of their internal anatomy. Along the way, we'll encounter fascinating adaptations and surprising facts that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for these tiny titans of the insect world. So, let's shrink down to ant size and begin our exploration of the fascinating world within. Picture an ant. What's the first thing that comes to mind? For many, it's the hard, shiny outer shell that encases their bodies, the exoskeleton. This remarkable structure, made primarily of chitin, acts as a suit of armor, providing protection from predators and the elements. Imagine the exoskeleton as a knight's armor, shielding the ant from harm. It provides structural support, allowing the ant to lift and carry objects many times its own weight. Think of an ant carrying a leaf much larger than itself. The exoskeleton makes this impressive feat possible. But the exoskeleton's role goes beyond protection and support. It also helps prevent water loss, crucial for survival in arid environments. This waterproof armor allows ants to thrive in deserts and other harsh environments where other insects would quickly dehydrate. The exoskeleton is a testament to the ingenuity of nature's design. It's a lightweight yet strong external framework that enables ants to navigate their world with strength and resilience. Don't let their small size fool you. Ants possess a surprisingly sophisticated nervous system. At its core lies the brain, a tiny yet powerful organ that controls the ant's every move. While minuscule in size compared to our own brains, the ant brain is a marvel of efficiency, processing information and coordinating actions with lightning speed. Extending from the brain is a network of nerves that reach every part of the ant's body. These nerves act as information highways, transmitting sensory input from the environment and carrying instructions from the brain to muscles and organs. This intricate communication network allows the ant to react quickly to danger, find food, and navigate its complex social structure. Ants rely heavily on their senses to perceive the world around them. Their antennae, those long, thin appendages protruding from their heads, are incredibly sensitive sensory organs. They detect subtle changes in air currents, vibrations, and pheromones, chemical signals that ants use to communicate. The ant's eyes, while not as sharp as ours, are highly adept at detecting movement. Imagine a world in constant motion, with shadows and shapes shifting around you. That's the visual experience of an ant. This heightened sensitivity to movement allows them to quickly identify threats and navigate their surroundings. Section 4. Breathing easy. The respiratory system. Just like us, ants need oxygen to survive. But instead of lungs, they breathe through a network of tiny tubes called spiracles, located along the sides of their bodies. These spiracles act as tiny doorways, allowing air to enter and exit the ant's body. Imagine these spiracles as small portholes on a ship, allowing fresh air to flow in and stale air to escape. Once inside the ant's body, air travels through a series of branching tubes called trachea, which deliver oxygen directly to the cells and tissues that need it most. This direct delivery system, known as tracheal respiration, is highly efficient for small insects like ants. It eliminates the need for oxygen to be transported through the blood as it is in humans. Instead, oxygen reaches the cells directly, providing the energy needed for their busy lives. So the next time you see an ant hard at work, remember that it's breathing through those tiny spiracles, fueling its body with the oxygen it needs to carry out its tasks. Section 5. From feast to fuel, the digestive system. Ants are renowned for their industrious nature and their ability to carry food many times their weight. But what happens to that food once it enters their bodies? Let's follow a morsel of food on its journey through the ant's digestive system. The journey begins in the mouth, where mandibles, strong jaws, crush and grind the food into smaller pieces. Imagine these mandibles as powerful tools capable of tearing through tough leaves and carrying heavy loads. From the mouth, food travels down the esophagus, a short tube that connects to the crop. The crop serves as a storage chamber, allowing ants to gather and transport food back to the colony before digestion begins. Think of the crop as a lunchbox, allowing ants to share their bounty with their nestmates. Digestion truly begins in the mid-gut, where enzymes break down the food into nutrients the ant's body can absorb. But here's where things get interesting. Ants also possess a fascinating organ called the social stomach. This social stomach, located in the ant's abdomen, is not a true stomach, but rather a storage sac for liquid food. Ants can regurgitate the contents of their social stomach, sharing food with other members of the colony. This act of food sharing, known as trophallaxis, is crucial for colony cohesion and ensures that all members have access to the nutrients they need. Section 6. A heartbeat away, the circulatory system. Unlike our own closed circulatory system, where blood is confined to vessels, ants have an open circulatory system. This means that their blood, called hemolymph, bathes the organs directly, delivering nutrients and removing waste products. Imagine the hemolymph as a flowing river, carrying essential supplies to every corner of the ant's body. It doesn't flow through veins and arteries like ours, but rather fills the body cavity, directly contacting the organs. At the heart of this system lies the dorsal vessel, a long tube that runs along the ant's back. This vessel contracts rhythmically, acting as a pump to circulate the hemolymph throughout the body. It's like a central pipeline, ensuring that the life-sustaining hemolymph reaches its destination. While seemingly simple, this open circulatory system is highly effective for insects like ants. It allows for efficient nutrient and waste exchange within their small bodies. So though an ant's heart may be a far cry from our own complex organ, it plays a vital role in keeping this tiny creature alive and thriving. Section 7. Conclusion: a world of wonder underfoot. From the protective exoskeleton to the surprisingly sophisticated nervous system, we've journeyed through the internal workings of an ant, uncovering the secrets behind their remarkable abilities. We've seen how their respiratory system allows them to breathe, their digestive system processes food, and their circulatory system keeps everything moving. It's amazing to think that these tiny creatures, often overlooked beneath our feet, possess such intricate and efficient systems. Their bodies are a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping them over millions of years into the highly successful creatures we see today. So, the next time you encounter an ant, take a moment to appreciate the wonders hidden within its diminutive form. Consider the intricate systems working in perfect harmony to allow it to navigate its world, find food, and contribute to its colony. As we've discovered, the world of ants is full of surprises. What other mysteries do these fascinating creatures hold? The exploration continues. What fascinates you most about the internal workings of ants?